Morning, guys. Currently crossing one of the biggest lakes that Jess and I will have ever crossed. We were told by a lot of people that this lake can get quite windy and therefore there'd be some big waves on it. So that's why we were up and early and on the water as quick as we were to hopefully beat the wind for the day. But as you can see, the lake is pretty much dead calm right now, which is very nice for us. Still some clouds and fog floating around on the sidelines, but hopefully the sun popping out here shortly. A little bit of blue sky up there now, right over you, Jess.
Perfect. It's gonna be a good day.
Today will be a great day. It is also going to be one of our biggest days, so one of our farthest traveling days. We got a couple sets of rapids to go through or around up here shortly once we make it across this big lake. We are by no means professionals or anything like that, just so you know. We've done quite a few backcountry trips now, but we're just bringing you along for the ride. Hope you enjoy our trip and you're able to share it with us. This is beautiful. Look behind you.
Yeah.
You got the sun shining on it now a little bit. This is why we're out here. Hey guys, crossed the big lake in about an hour and a half, so not too bad. It's still super calm out there, as you can see. So we're just at our very first portage of this trip, and we have about just shy of a kilometer up for our first portage. So a nice big one to start us off and get us in the groove of things here. So we're just gonna stop here, have some Pop-Tarts.
Raspberry flavor.
Just gonna take our time today. We got all day, it's still early. So just before 9 o'clock, so we got a ways to go yet. Canoe rental that we have here from Algonquin Outfitters is awesome. It's the Featherweight, it's Prospector 16 foot. It was a dream to paddle across this big lake. Just walking along the first portage here, kind of along a bit of a cliff edge. It's getting steep. Quite a few mosquitoes out for the middle of August, which was surprising. Blowing them off my arms here as we go. It's so muggy out. Sun isn't out. I can feel it. Ah! Biting my ears, my face. Sweat's running down into my eyes. Feels like it's been a long time since I single carried a portage before, but we did it. Made it to the end here. Just walking down this steep. Put in here a little toad right here. Hey, dude. You see how sweaty I am?
Oh my gosh.
Covered in mosquitoes too. Whew. That was a good one.
Yeah. I don't know how anyone runs that.
Yeah. Nice little rapids that we had to portage around there. Whew. All right, let's continue on. Just finished our second portage out of 3 for the day. Felt a little bit better than the first one. Getting back into the groove of things here. Just pulled up at the base of the rapids, what we had to portage around. Just gonna enjoy a little snack. Enjoy the sounds of the little babbling brook. Whoa, big dragonfly. Check that guy out.
Phew.
Keeping the bugs away for us. He's just circling us. Sun's just trying to peek out here a little bit. Wasn't sure if it was going to rain there for a while. We were trying to muscle through so we can get to our campsite before we get wet, but I'm hopeful that the sun comes out, so we might try a little fishing here. First fish, right here. So I believe they call these fall fish. What? There he goes.
Fell right into the lake.
First cast of the trip. Little guy, but it's a start anyway. See what else we can do. Whoa, Jess just hooked into her second fish. Whoa! Nice little smallmouth bass. Wow, look at the belly on him. Careful with the barbs. Perfect. Look at that.
What's that?
That is awesome. Good job. Good.
There's a weight to 'em.
Good job. Oh, fish on! Oh, look at that cute little guy. Just a bunch of bass so far and some tall fish. Hoping to find some walleye on this trip, but we'll see. For now, we're gonna head to the next portage. Well, we were just about to paddle away from these rapids after all the good fishing, and we saw something underwater, so I thought I had to show you here. We'll check it out. It's kind of eerie. Put you in the waterproof case. Hey guys, just at our last portage of the day, saw this cool bridge, thought we'd come check it out, and it was totally worth climbing up here for. That's where we came from, up to the portage. You can see all the rapids down here. It's pretty cool. Bridge is a little sketchy though. Pretty big gaps. Gotta watch your step. Pulled over here on the side of the river, feeling the effects of hunger, so thought we'd have some lunch. Today will be one of our more luxurious lunches. So what we have is we cooked up some chicken breasts, soaked her in buffalo sauce, and Jess just cutting up some Havarti cheese here. We're gonna put it on a wrap and enjoy. Oh yeah, that's good. I think we've done 2.5 kilometers of portaging today. Still have probably another hour's worth paddling to find a site here. It's a beautiful little lunch spot.
Lucked out, it's nice and shady.
Yeah.
The sun's really come out.
Yeah, it's nice. It took till about noon for the sun to come out today. But now that it's out, it's hot. We're already in the shade, so. It's really been a beautiful morning out so far. I was really glad that we started early. I can hear the wind just starting to pick up here a little bit, so hopefully it's blowing us in the right direction. We have another pretty big lake to cross to try and find a campsite on. We're told there should be a couple other groups out here, so hopefully we can find a good spot for the night.
Cheers.
Enjoy. It's good.
Good spot.
think, find a beach site.
It'd be awesome if we can. It's perfect for swimming.
Yeah, we'll definitely need to swim today.
This was our heaviest portage day, though.
I think we have 4 portages tomorrow, but they might be
But they're
smaller.
small, yeah.
Yeah. Finish these up and then we'll get on the water. I really don't think the wind can make up its mind.
No. It's coming out of either direction.
We just paddled down a pretty big channel, and for the first 10 minutes it was pushing us, and then huge gusts came right at us, and now I feel like it's just kind of swirling around, and maybe it's at our backs again, which is okay because we're about to come out onto another large lake here. Just ahead of us here is our lake for the night. We're scanning the coast for a campsite. Just coming up to campsite here. We're gonna check it out, see what it looks like. We've been out on the water for approximately 7 hours so far today, so it's been a long day. Even though it's only 2 o'clock right now, I'm hoping this is gonna be a winner. A little worried about the big lakes that we had to travel across, and it's been unbelievable. They've both just been flat. Whoa, we're really shallow here.
Yeah.
Look at all the clamshells.
Whoa. This is wild.
This is cool. Here's our site. I'm gonna flip you around.
No diving from this campsite.
Coming up to a beautiful beach.
Ooh, there's some benches.
Looks like
Perfect.
this looks awesome. All right, last stop. Everybody out. Finally got our campsite all set up. It is probably one of the best campsites that we've ever had. We have this beautiful beach. Sun is currently just about to set. It's around 7 o'clock. Just in the process of making dinner. Cooking some hot dogs over the fire. Now I know what you might think. Hot dogs, not the healthiest choice, but it reminds us of being kids when you were camping when you were young. Got a nice bench set up here around the fire. And I know you wouldn't believe it, as right now the sky is really clear. There's not a cloud in it. But earlier, about an hour or two ago, the wind kicked up and it looked like we were gonna get some rain. So we threw up the tarp. We're set up though for the night. Got these beautiful tent pads here too. Check out this other one. Someone's put a lot of work into these, gouging them out. Even got a little rain trough around the back. Well, this is just a beautiful forest, awesome beach, great little fire set up here too. This couldn't be a better day, that's for sure. So I think we're just gonna sit back, cook some dinner over the fire, and enjoy this beautiful sunset, and then call it a night. It's been a long day. We were up early. Hoping to get up early again tomorrow and cross the rest of this big lake. Alright guys, fire died down. Mosquitoes came out in hordes, so we retreated to our tent. Thought we were gonna get some sleep, but I feel like it's 25, 26 degrees Celsius. So we're just, we bought these really nice sleeping bags and we'd like to use them. Right now we're just lying on top of our air mattresses with no covers on. We're gonna try and get some sleep and we'll catch you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Boy, you look a little dirty. Our YouTube fans.
Oh, you have those?
Might have one. Maybe my mom or something.
My mom.
Yeah, that's about it so far.